read the question. Yes. Group C, page number 5 and 6 of the course book. This is Sam and he has a pet monkey, Kiki, which troubles him a lot. Yet he loves his pet very much. Imagine you have a pet like Kiki. Write six or seven sentences on how you would take care of your pet. You can also draw a picture of your pet in the box given below. Wow. You should imagine that you are having a pet. Okay. Imagine that you are having a pet and how you are going to take care of that pet. What are the things you are going to give it to eat, or how much time you are going to spend with your pet? Your pet troubles you or not? Yes, everything you have to write in 6 to 7 sentences. So start.
Yeah.
Ayan.
Ma'am, I'll take penguin, ma'am.
Okay. And
Cat, ma'am.
are penguin, you share me about the penguin. What you are going to write about the penguin there?
Yeah.
That I'm asking you.
Yeah. Yeah. He will help me nicely for everything, and he will do
He
swimming.
will. Penguin. It will.
Yeah, it will do swimming nicely, and that's all, ma'am.
That's all, ma'am. You listen to some other children, what they are telling, you listen and tell me again. Yes, Ananya.
My pet's name would be Daisy, and he's a small Pomeranian
You see
puppy.
there in that benches, any course book is there, mine?
And he would live in a small house
Okay.
which I have made for it, and
Any other
I will.
reason?
And he can also fit in a small cup because he's really small. And I would bath him and bath it, and I would take care of it by giving food to it,
Keep.
and I would bring it out for
Okay,
a daily
like this
walk,
course book is
a
not there.
daily morning walk, and
And
that's all. And
okay.
that's all.
Okay, good. Very good. So now next we have here Vishnu. Yes, Vishnu.
Ma'am, my pet name is Rabbit, ma'am.
Okay.
When I do work, it helps me, and
Oh,
it
it helps you.
yes, ma'am. When I I should bath him and I should take care of him, and he will
I
when
should take care of it.
I should take care of it.
Okay.
If
Are
if
you
he
able to hear?
if I went anywhere, he will come and he will take me. And if the rat if if it is on, I will make a house when he is when it want to live outside.
Very good. Okay, Vishnu, thank you. Very good. Yes, Shrestha. Shrestha.
Hi, I have a pet that is cat. Its name is Goldie. It will it is very cute, and it will drink milk always in morning and evening. I will take to walk in morning and evening, and
Instead of that, you
I
tell
will bath.
I will take my pet for a morning walk and an evening walk. The sentence should be like
I
this.
will
Okay.
take
I
Ah.
will take morning walk and evening walk. I will give bath to, and it will wear pink dress
Oh,
and
there is a dress also for the cat. Who is going
yeah,
to make the dress? You yourself?
I
Okay. Good, Shrestha. Very good. Next, Kavish. Kavish. Ah, joining the class and going somewhere, my dear.
Ma'am, I actually went to sharp my pencil.
Very good. You should ready with everything, no, before starting the class. Now tell me, what is your pet name?
My pet name will be as it will be Snowball.
Repeat again. Start again.
My pet name will be Snowball.
Snowball. Okay. And what is the pet? Which animal you are taking as your pet?
I am taking a white fluffy dog.
White fluffy dog. Okay. So that's the reason you kept the name as Snowball.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Okay, tell me what are the things you're going to provide it, how you are
I
going to take the care of it.
first I I will take care of him every day by making him bath, and I will even take him in morning walks.
Okay.
And the pet will help me in studying,
Hmm.
and me and my pet will play together all day long.
Okay.
And he will even sleep together with me.
Hmm. Okay. Good. Fine. Very good. Medha.
Ma'am, I already had a pet dog, remember? Ludo. We had to give him away because of my grandmother's allergy. But every morning I used to walk him, but instead he used to walk me by pulling my hand and pulling the chain while I was walking him. And he had lots of teething, so we gave him lots of little toys, squeaky toys.
Okay.
He was lot of a handful.
Yeah.
Or
Repeat.
should I say powerful?
Medha.
Yes, ma'am.
Last sentence. What did you say?
He was really powerful.
Okay. He was really powerful. Good.
Yeah. And he used to run around everywhere.
Great. Good. Srikar.
Ma'am, chicks.
Chicks. Okay. Small. That colorful.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I too have that. Okay. Tell me what you'll do with that.
Chicks. Chicks will. I will put the running race with the chicks.
You will put.
Running race.
Oh. Then who will win that race?
Me.
You only. Okay. Good. Continue. Nice.
Their name is Tina Muna.
Oh, two chicks you have. Tina Mina. Wow, nice. Okay. And what you're going to feed them?
Grains.
Grains. Good. Okay, good. Rohin, see, he's somewhere in the home. Huh? What you are doing, Rohin? Where you are? You are leaving your device and going somewhere. On your camera, Rohin.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Next time you should not repeat.
My pet name is Nikki.
Mickey.
Not Mickey, ma'am.
Nikki.
Nikki.
Ah, okay.
My
Continue.
pet name is Nikki.
Ah. Children, those who shared about your pet animals, you can start writing.
My Nikki playing with me.
You can start writing now itself. Don't waste time.
My Nikki
Those who already
loves
shared about
playing with me.
Veda,
I will
I am
take
Shrita,
my
start
Nikki
writing.
for walking. I
Vishnu,
build a house.
start writing. Yes. Rohin.
Ma'am,
Rohin.
ma'am,
Repeat again. On your camera and repeat again. Yes.
my pet name is Nikki.
Ah,
My Nikki loves yo-yo.
ah.
My Nikki loves rolling on the mat. My Nikki loves playing with me. I will take my Nikki for walking. I
Good.
build a house for my Nikki.
Okay. You built a house for your Nikki. Where did you build?
Next year, ma'am, I will build.
Okay. Abhignesh.
Ma'am, my pet dog name is Bruno. He is from the breed of Germany. He is he is 2 years old, fuzzy and black in color, ma'am.
Very good. And caring, we are asking about the caring children. You should tell that caring.
Only have and I'll care him.
How you will care?
I'll take care of him.
Every day
I'll
you should
keep
give a
him
bath.
food.
Every day you should give a bath.
I'll give him a bath and
Feed
I
him.
will
Yes, Abhignesh, tell me.
I'll give him a bath and daily I will give him some food and we'll go daily morning and evening for a walking.
Very good, for a walk. That everything you should write. All the caring, whatever the care you are going to take about your pet animal, everyone should write that. Still, anybody want to share? Arham want to share? Yes, Arham.
Okay. My pet name is Bingo. It is a pet rabbit. I give it some carrots and I take him for a walk. I take it for a walk. When I am outside, it comes with me, and it helps my studies.
Huh.
When I am in school, it comes to it comes with my mother to pick me up.
Okay. If suddenly it falls sick, then what you will do?
I will take care of him. I will give him some. I will give it some medicines.
Okay. Who is going to sing a lullaby for your pet animal? Raise your hand who is going to sing a lullaby. No one. Ayan is going to sing a lullaby. Yes, Ayan. He raised hand.
No, ma'am. I was doing.
Yes, Shanmuka.
Ma'am,
Yes.
your voice is low, ma'am.
My voice is low. Now is it okay?
No, ma'am.
Why it is low? Children, am I audible to everyone?
Yeah, ma'am. It is audible.
You see, but maybe your device voice is low. Yes, Shresha.
Ma'am, I will sing.
You want to sing a lullaby?
Yeah.
Sing it now.
सो जा मेरे कन्हैया हो के रहेगी नहीं बोल सो जा सो जा
Clap, clap for Shresha. Clap. Good. Very good. Harshini.
Ma'am, my
Yes.
pen name is Nikki.
Nikki, same thing. Okay. First on your camera, I want to see you. Now tell me.
It will have one more thing. It is little board,
Read.
and it will do every day.
You'll play. You will
Yeah,
play
I will
every day.
It will play every day with me, and
We have to wash our hands. Yes, before and after playing. Like before and after meals. Yes. Before and after playing with the pet. What you have to do? You have to wash your hands properly. Good.
my pet name is Tortoise.
Tortoise. Wow, nice. Come on.
It will swim in the when I will put in the water tap. It will swim.
Okay.
And I can remove it out and I can play with it. At every day I will play when my online class is done.
Oh, okay. After the online class is good. And you will play with it. And it follows you. It listens to you. Whatever you say, it can understand. What is the name of your pet?
Greenie.
Huh?
Greenie.
Greenie.
Yes.
And what your pet calls you?
And
Your pet. If your pet want to call you, so,
Trishul it will call.
Trish, like Krish.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Trishul becomes Trish.
Yes.
Good. Nice. Any other child? Come on, make it fast, children. Hurry up. Time is running out.
Ma'am.
Vignesh.
Ma'am, me.
After Vignesh, we have Sai Akshay Konka, then Danish. Come on, Vignesh.
Ma'am. My pet name is Pacho. It is a small dog. I will take care of him. If I go somewhere, it will follow me always.
Arey baapre, then you don't bring it to the school, boy. It will follow you, no? Then when you will come to school, I think it will follow you. I'm really
Ma'am, it has allergy, ma'am.
Huh?
It has allergy and it will go somewhere always.
Okay, then it is okay. Come on, continue.
I will not touch it, and I will always be so much. If I run somewhere far, it will run so much fast and it will catch me up, ma'am.
Okay, best friends, huh? Like besties.
Ma'am, I have two dogs, ma'am. One is Rocket and another one is Petro, ma'am. Rocket
What?
is brown.
Rocket and?
Rocket will not. It will not follow me always, ma'am. If it will only follow me sometimes.
Okay, and which dog follows you? What's its name?
Petro, ma'am.
Padzana. Okay, good. Nice names. Huh? Now, Sai Akshay Konka will share. Make it fast. We have only 4 minutes. Make it fast. Speak like this.
My pet name is Bruno. Daily we both will play, and I'll give for it food daily, and we will play with ball daily, and I will take it to walk daily morning and evening. And when I'm going to school, daily when I'm coming to school daily, we will play and I will come to school.
That's why you are not doing your homeworks. Yes. Daily playing and coming to school, forgetting about the homeworks and reading books. No, you are doing.
It will sleep at night 9 o'clock.
And when you will sleep?
I will sleep at 9:30.
Right? Half an hour late.
We will see daily movie.
Oh, see, look at this boy. He will watch the movie and he will sleep. And morning when he is coming to school, he will play with the pen and when he will read. Very good. Okay, nice. Good. And next, Danesh is here to share. Yes, Danesh.
After that, me, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Danesh.
My pet name is my pet is a dog, ma'am.
Okay.
Name is Tuffy, ma'am. Tuffy.
Tuffy. Okay, nice name. Tuffy.
It's in a brown in color, ma'am.
Okay.
I will help in giving shower to Tuffy.
Okay. You will help. Okay.
I will go for a walk with him.
When you will go for a walk?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, not every day. Every day you don't like for a walk? Going for a walk? Okay.
Every day.
Okay. What your pet loves to eat?
What I like, ma'am.
Whatever you like.
Yes, ma'am.
And what you like and what you like to eat?
Yes, ma'am.
What? Biryani?
He also like biryani.
I know.
After that, I will take care of him. He will take care of our home very well. At night, he will go to his kennel, ma'am, and he will sleep.
Very good. Danish, good. Yes, Akshat. Akshat, last 1 minute. Make it fast.
Ma'am, my pet name is Vulture.
Mm.
Its name is Bluey.
Mm.
It always play with me and it helps me whatever I want. It brings with me.
It helps you to fly in the air.
Yeah.
Yes.
It helps me. And
it just holds it just hold you and take you up in the air and you can fly there.
Ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, I will fly. Yeah, ma'am, really.
Okay, really. Okay, fine. Then once you fly and come to my home, I want to see you flying in the sky.
Ma'am.
Okay, good, Akshat. Nice. Yes, children. So you enjoyed with your pet today. It was very interesting to know that different pets and the caring, the way you take care of your pets and the way you are enjoying spending time. Yes, having fun. Very good. So the same thing you are going to